DeskFlow supports role-based access for both admins and end users. This keeps operations secure and organized from the first step. This is the DeskFlow workspace. On the left menu, teams can navigate tickets, users, reports, and settings. The ticket section helps track status, priority, and ownership in one flow. The user section supports team management and bulk import for faster onboarding. Reports provide SLA visibility and export-ready outputs for stakeholder communication. Everything is organized in one interface so IT teams can work faster with less context switching. Now let's create a new support request. Users can enter a clear issue title and add details in a structured form. This helps the IT team understand the problem faster and reduce back-and-forth communication. DeskFlow captures key fields like ticket type, category, priority, and assignment. This standardization improves triage quality and ensures tickets are routed to the right team member from the beginning. For end users, this process is simple and guided. For admins and agents, it provides consistent and actionable data, which shortens response time and improves service quality. If the user still needs support, they can proceed directly with a complete ticket context. This means fewer unclear requests, faster first response, and better issue tracking across the support workflow. This is DeskFlow's core AI support flow. The user enters an issue and the system classifies it instantly by category and priority. Instead of only creating a ticket, DeskFlow first tries to resolve the issue. The AI provides step-by-step troubleshooting guidance that non-technical users can follow. If the issue is solved, no ticket is created. That directly reduces repetitive workload for the IT team and saves operational time. If the issue is not solved, DeskFlow can auto-generate a structured support description. This converts AI troubleshooting into a cleaner ticket handoff and faster support execution. DeskFlow also supports user administration features designed for real team operations. With bulk import, admins can onboard users quickly using templates. This reduces manual setup effort and keeps organization data consistent. It is especially useful when onboarding new departments or migrating from other systems. On the reporting side, DeskFlow helps teams monitor performance and service outcomes. This creates visibility for both support managers and business stakeholders. Reports can be exported in presentation-ready format, including custom PowerPoint output for SLA and executive reporting. This makes it easy to communicate support results, compliance status, and business impact without additional manual formatting.